Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here you can see my before the pen for Monday, March 29th through to Sunday, April 4th. And there were a few of you that asked to see my after the pen process. So I'm going to try and bring it back. One of the reasons that I kind of stopped doing it was because it didn't feel authentic to me. It felt like I wasn't filling out my planner unless it was on camera. But I want to try and do this a little bit more, probably not every week, but maybe every other week, and see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how I set up my planner for the week, and then I'll fill it in day to day. Let's get started. So when I'm prepping my planner, I prep this first area first, obviously, for the dinners that we're going to have for the week. So I'm going to be making sweet and sour pork. I used to use this area for my work shifts, but then realized I work now the same shifts all the time, so now I'm using it for dinners. And here will be crock pot chicken pot pie, and then leftovers, sweet and sour pork, chicken pot pie, and this chicken pot pie is actually such an easy recipe. And then pizza for dinner on Friday. Although it is Good Friday, so, and then Saturday is, I guess, Easter dinner, and then Sunday, don't know yet. So then Monday's tasks, I need to clean the cabinets and appliances in the kitchen because I did not do that yesterday. I need to finish my Canada Revenue login process, and I need to update my credit card information on a whole bunch of bills because my credit card number got stolen last month. So anyway, and then Tuesday, it is mop floors. My husband's job to mop the floors on Tuesdays. Wednesday is garbage day. Thursday, no plans as of yet. And then Friday, I'm actually off. That day, I'm going to do some grocery shopping on that day, or maybe do it Thursday night. I haven't decided yet. We'll see as the week goes. And then Saturday, I am working, but my husband will be taking the kids to their activities. So Henry has his wall climbing, which he absolutely loves. And then my daughter has her horseback riding, which again, she loves too. And then Sunday, our usual cleaning, so vacuum, and my husband has to do the windows. I have to do the bathrooms. Hello, forgot for a second. One of the things I have to do here, actually, that I'm going to remember to do is bed linens. And then here, I'm also going to remember to do fold laundry. So that's this side filled out as I need to. Now this page, I'm going to actually take this out so it's easier to fill in. This part is where I fill in my steps taken for the week. And I started on the Sunday, so yesterday, and finish it on the Saturday. So yesterday's steps, where's my phone? I like to keep track of all of my steps in here. It makes it a lot easier for me. So yesterday's steps were 12,595, and my calories burned yesterday was 2,430. All right, so I'm going to put that back in here and then zoom out so you can see what it looks like now that it's prepped. So there it is, ready for the week, and then I will check things off as I go and then show you guys once it's all done. I'm hoping this is helpful to you. Really, all in all, this is just a running to-do list for me. Now, I've left this whole area here empty just for anything that may come up for big to-do list. I mean, Easter's coming up this weekend, so that might be my big list of things to do for Easter, but we'll see. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now Tuesday evening. Let's see, what have I, yesterday I did clean the cabinets and appliances. I did my Canada Revenue login and I updated my credit card information for all of my stuff. Thank goodness. And then basically figured out that Easter dinner is going to be happening on the Sunday. And then also figured out that, I say figured out, but groceries will be picked up on Friday because I'm off that day. And is there anything else that I need to think about just yet? Oh, and prep Easter dinner and swap. So we're doing kind of like a food exchange, a swap, kind of like what we did last year. And then I'm going to flip this over like this. So my steps for Monday were 12,334, and the calories burned for Monday 2,405. But I ate like crazy yesterday. So anyway, I think I'm going to end up using this spot on this side here to kind of just go over what I need to do over the weekend. So it is Tuesday. My husband is not going to be mopping the floors today. He will be mopping the floors tomorrow. And then I believe tomorrow is when Henry's coming back. He's been sleeping over at my mom's house since Sunday. All right, so that is, I guess, Monday and a bit of Tuesday. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday. Just checking off a couple of things here. So was garbage day today. My husband mopped the floors today. There's nothing else that I need to actually write in there, which is fine. I think, which day was it for work? Yes, no, I'm sorry. I had to close for work today. Close for work. And this is the pen that doesn't work very well. Is it this one? Yeah. For work. All right, which means tomorrow off early, and then I need to do some filming. And then I'm just thinking, is there anything else that I need to add in here? No, I do not, but I can do my stats for Tuesday. So Tuesday, my steps, let's have a look here, 12,468. And my calories burned was 2,256. I write all that, but saying that, I mean, my eating has been terrible. So, I don't know. We will see. And it's kind of weird trying to get back into the whole after the pen thing because, you know, writing in my planner, I like to do that throughout the day. Whereas if I have to film it, I kind of have to pull out the whole filming setup in order to film it. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes after this week. All right, I will see you guys. If not tomorrow, definitely Friday. Hey guys, it is Good Friday. So yesterday I did get off early and I was able to film a couple of videos, and I received my Happy Planner haul yesterday. So yay. And then I did actually end up going to Sobeys as well. All right, so today I did not do the bed linens today, but I did do the grocery pickup. I did wash I washed the laundry and I haven't actually folded it yet. This is my life, you guys. This is what happens in real life. So stats for Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday is 13,870 steps, and then calories burned was 2,211. Thursday, so yesterday, 12,559 steps, and calories burned was 2,282 steps. So I have today off from work, so I was able to pick up the groceries and put the laundry in, but then it's just been a nice day to hang out with the family, nothing too crazy, and it's just been a really kind of easy day. I do have to work tomorrow, so my husband is the one taking the kids to their activities tomorrow. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is now Sunday. Happy Easter, guys. Sorry I missed yesterday, but yesterday was a bit of like a, I don't know, I was working yesterday, but thankfully it wasn't too busy. So my husband took Henry to vertically inclined, I can't even say that, rock a gym. So Henry is loving his wall climbing. And then Robin's was actually canceled yesterday. The horseback riding instructor had a migraine, so that's been canceled. I did fold laundry, yay! I did do the bed linens yesterday, so all that was good. Today, my husband is doing the vacuuming and he's doing the windows. I've done all the bathrooms and I still have to prep Easter dinner. So we're actually swapping at my mom's house at 3 o'clock today. And then we're going to be doing our dinner via Zoom, kind of like what we did last year for Easter. It's kind of sad to think that it's been a year. Normally I do Easter at my house, but with COVID, it's just, we still can't gather. We still can't gather indoors, which is really sad. But as soon as I am done filming this, I will be going ahead and prepping sesame chicken or sesame noodles with chicken. And then we're all kind of doing our own kind of Asian spin on Easter. So that'll be interesting. And then lastly, my steps for Friday and Saturday. So Friday, I did a lot actually, 14,229, and then the calories burned was 2,349, and then yesterday I managed to do 12,790, and the calories burned was 2,215. I always have trouble getting that many steps in on a Saturday just because it's normally my rest day, so I don't take the time to actually get the steps in. But yesterday I did manage to do that even while we were watching. We watched Lady and the Tramp yesterday, so movie night. The live action one. Movie, Lady and the Tramp. And I cried because I do that. All right. Okay, but that is it for me. I didn't actually use this for anything, and I like to leave some note space in here just for anything that is quite busy, but there wasn't really anything that I needed to put in there. But it's nice to just have the space just in case. I don't always use that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this after the pen. I may not do it every week. We'll see how it goes. I may do it every other week, and then maybe every other week do a puppy video, but we'll see. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.